Good morning everybody and welcome to this webinar entitled Journey to the Cloud. My name is Ian Fletcher and I'm sitting here with Max Thomas. Good morning, Max.
Good morning, Ian.
And we're here for an hour with you folks and we're going to talk about the cloud and how we journey to the cloud and what happens and what the benefits, what the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities are for you listening in. So it's a pleasure to be here with you on this bright and sunny day. And Max, tell us something about yourself, because you're from Digita.
Yep.
And you're the Director of Professional Marketing Strategy.
All the discussion about the cloud, because there's lots of public cloud, private cloud, and different areas of it. In a way, for a business, what they need to understand is yes, there are nuances within how you do that, but fundamentally, what it means is that you can just log on to your computer and you can get the application there and then without having to do an install. And without having to maintain the back office IT
yeah.
to be able to do that. And so, as a consequence of that, there are a lot of benefits, and you're obviously going to reduce the amount you spend on IT, because you're not going to need the servers, you're going to need the network capacity, etc., that you've previously had. And you're also not going to need the SQL Server licenses that you might have had, and the staff may need to spend a lot of time maintaining and upgrading. So just a few questions really.
Some great statistics.
6 out of 10 UK businesses are taking advantage of cloud services.
Yeah.
Only 3.2 out of 10.
Well, as you know, Max, accountants are always last on the bus with IT. We like to look and wait and see, and we're quite cautious people.
Yeah, and there are the stats. I mean, I think that we also have, we've got, I think it was 1 in 5 accountants couldn't see why they'd ever want to do that.
Mm-hmm.
And I think we discussed some of the benefits beforehand there. So I think that one thing I would say is that quite a lot of the marketing around this would make you think that you're going to go bust if you don't go onto the cloud straight away and get a tablet or whatever it is because you're a Luddite. Mm-hmm. I don't think that's the case, and I think part of what we're offering here today is a hybridized solution. I don't think it should be just take your entire desktop and put it straight into the cloud. I think that's
Well, I think what you've said already is quite important and quite a salient point, is that technology is so advanced and the speed of processing is so advanced that some stuff needs to be on a desktop or your laptop, as well as accessing the cloud for a system.
Yeah.
Coming up slowly, folks, on the screen, we're just a little bit ahead of you, as you know, on a webinar, so there we go. What are we looking at now?
Okay, so what we're looking at here is Digita Virtual Office. I've just accessed this straight through straight through the cloud, and this is our office offering. There are a number of applications here that you can access, and there are a number of links to access other areas. What you can do here is, as an admin, I can set up new users. If I want to give access to new users, I can create groups, I can set up news to publish out to my clients. There's a whole little sort of web environment for my practice.
What we're looking at, folks, is a natural progression, isn't it, of managing your clients' information and documents and the stuff that you produce for them in a secure portal.
That's right.
Via the cloud.
That's right. But the whole concept of a portal really is just a window into a small part of the document management. So it's not actually a different place. It is the same document that the client looks at, that the accountant looks at. It's just giving the client access to look at that document. And as well as that, we offer something called File Exchange, which allows them to upload, let's say, Line 50 databases or whatever it is that they need to upload to the other documents.
Well, yeah, instead of having a USB being going around, which is completely, totally unsecure with version 7, 8, 9, 12, 15 of Sage.